Hey guys, this is Curly Fit Gamer and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another low carb meal prep video. So if you are new here and want to be a part of the fam where we embrace the best version of ourselves, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get cooking. As always, I am starting off with the meal that is going to take the longest. I am beginning with adding 1 tablespoon of ghee in a skillet set to medium-high heat. I am adding in 5 medium to large pieces of chicken thighs to the skillet and seasoning on each side with a half a teaspoon of oregano, a half a teaspoon of paprika, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, sprinkle some black pepper, and sprinkle some sea salt. I'm going to cook each side for about 15 minutes, so for a total of 30 minutes. Next, while my chicken is cooking, I am prepping up my dressing for my lunch. In a small bowl, I am mixing juice from a half of a lemon, 1/4 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and I am going to stir this up really well until all 3 of the ingredients are incorporated. Oh, and I sprinkled a little bit of pepper for that extra kick. Here I have 4 32-ounce mason jars, and I'm separating my dressing into each one. Then, in each mason jar, I am adding in about a few rings of pickled red onions, a half of a cup of chickpeas from a can, 1/4 of a large cucumber, 3 cherry tomatoes, and about 2 to 3 cups of spring mix. Or really, I just stuffed it up until I couldn't fit any more spring mix in there. I decided this week that I will switch it up and enjoy a meatless meal, but still has protein from the chickpeas. All I do on the day when I'm ready to eat it is just pop off the lid, turn the jar upside down, dump it into a huge bowl, and enjoy until my heart is content. This is a simple salad I just threw together from the things that were in my fridge. I did try adding some tahini dressing on top of it too, and that tasted pretty good. Now going back to my chicken, it has been cooking for about 15 minutes on each side, so I know it's done. I'm just going to put it in an airtight container for now. Now using the flavor from the chicken, I am sauteing a half of a white onion, 3 garlic cloves until it has been infused with the chicken flavor and it has decreased in size. Then I decided instead of using cauliflower rice, I just went ahead and I broke the cauliflower into bite-sized pieces and sauteed it with the onions and garlic. Once I saw the cauliflower was softening, I threw it in a bag of frozen string beans as well for just the extra veggies. This meal might have been really simple, but it was super good. Met my macros for the week and was super satisfying. We eat around here, y'all. We don't skimp out on the food. Lastly, I am working on my breakfast, which for this week, I bought some apples that were on sale at my local food store. I made sure to only use small apples or 100 grams of each apple. I put in each freezer bag to continue meeting my macros for this week. Then I am adding my protein powder from Organ. The vanilla protein tastes the best with this combination. Then 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I always make sure that I am consuming some type of fruit every day in my meals. They hold so much vitamins and minerals for the body that are great for your optimal health. So don't skimp out on them, please. Always keep in mind, moderation, never restriction. My lunch is prepped, my breakfast is prepped, now it's time to prep my dinner. I didn't necessarily measure out the base for this meal due to the fact it's basically just veggies, so I don't have to worry about calories or portion control because I know it's going to be fairly low in calories. But if I were to make an estimate, I would say each container has a base that equals to about a cup. For my cooked chicken, I decided to slice it up into smaller pieces, and in each container I added about 3 ounces. Also, I had some extra roasted sweet potatoes from my husband's meal prep, so I decided to add a couple of pieces because I honestly love sweet potato. So why not? I didn't show it in the video, but I like to also pair this meal with 1/2 of an avocado for some healthy fats in this meal. And that is it. My week is finished and ready. I hope you all enjoyed it and find it inspiring to start on your own healthy lifestyle journey with useful tips and ideas to take along the way to achieve your short and long-term goals for this new year. Meal prepping is what allows me to stay on track every week, so that is why I made it into a habit. If you guys have any ideas of your own or feedback or end up doing this meal prep, please comment down below and tag me on Instagram at CurlyFitGamer. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys want more content like this. I love you all, and as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys!